Okay, quick video for a CML scenario that I ran into today while labbing. Currently reviewing secure access controls. Specifically have a simple lab here with a local username database set up on router 1, and we are attempting to secure shell into router 1 via the VTY lines. Getting a key exchange mismatch error. So I went down the rabbit hole of trying to figure this out and discovered a couple of solutions that I wanted to put a quick video together and demonstrate. So here we have router 1 on the right. We'll do a quick login. And just to demonstrate that we only have console access right now, there's no remote sessions via VTY. We'll go ahead and log into the tech PC. I'll just show that we do have connectivity and routing set up correctly to reach router 1. Okay. So now let's see if we try to secure shell into router 1, the error that we get. So you'll see on both the PC and the router we're getting basically a key exchange mismatch, basically indicating that the client and the server are not speaking the same language when it comes to the key exchange algorithm that they're using. If we go over to the router and do a quick show IP SSH, we can see the key exchange algorithms that this virtual image within CML supports. Nothing too great. On production software, hopefully you're using something a little higher, but here we have group exchange SHA-1 and group 14 SHA-1 of the Diffie-Hellman algorithm. So knowing that, one way that we can get around this error is that we can go back to our remote PC tech and we can use the command format for SSH and specifying the key exchange option with the TAC O. Key exchange algorithms. And we're going to add in, we'll go with the better of the two options. Diffie-Hellman group 14, SHA-1. TAC L for login as admin, and then of course specify the IP. So we don't get the error message that time. Instead, we get what we want. We're presented with a password prompt. And we can log in. And of course, we know that we're logged in because we can see the router prompt for router 1 from our tech PC. And of course, we can verify that as well from a show users command. So using this longer format, you can also use the TAC C for cipher to specify a particular cipher that you want to log in with as well. And here's the format for that. But let's look at a second option. So we'll go ahead and from the tech remote PC, I'm going to exit out of that SSH session. And I want to take a look at the SSH directory. And you'll see a file, SSH_config. We take a look at that file. You'll see there's a wildcard host specified with a bunch of options underneath it. none of which in this particular case specifies a key exchange. We're going to modify this file and just specify just the key exchange options, um, and then demonstrate, of course, how that will make our jobs a lot easier. To modify the file, we're going to use sudo vi We'll add in our line KEX algorithms. And then we'll specify them both. Group exchange, comma, Diffie-Hellman group 14. Okay. And then we will save. WQ. Just a quick trust but verify. Okay, so now we can see we were successful in modifying the SSH config file, uncommented host with wildcard for any host. And we've got the key exchange algorithms for Diffie-Hellman group exchange SHA-1 and Diffie-Hellman group 14 SHA-1. That should allow us now to just simply SSH into any resource, in this case our router 1, without having to specify the TAC-O option. And there we go. We don't get the key exchange error message, and we're able to log in. Hope this helps.